guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying to film creatively while on vacation, and I'm gonna go over some birthday entries that I checked the day the day that I left. Checked my PO box. So the first one is from Crystal. She's JR's wifey on Instagram. I will link that down below. So she made a birthday card. I saw her video response, and then I also opened this up in an incoming birthday package that she sent me, and I saved this part to go over it for this video. So she made a matching envelope, ooh girl, and she even put the fancy liner on the inside. It's that like pretty paper. I have this paper pad. I think it's called like confetti something from maybe Michael's or Joann's. And then look at her card, you guys. She like layered it up multiple times on here with I think she's the Echo Park, like a Echo Park collection. She even puffed up this like border strip right here that she did. This cute glittery bow. She's got her little enamel dots everywhere. She even did stitching along like the balloons. So cute. And I love like the string that's hanging down, like they are actually floating. And then she even puffed them up. See if you can see that, like on dimensional tape, foam tape. This is so dimensional and cute, girl. And then the inside, she just did like a little white space so that you could write on there, and then a background piece on the inside. And this is like super heavy, sturdy, thick. Thank you, girl. And then her bows, you guys saw me, like I said in that video, she did a little like, what's this, seam binding bow right there. And then she used an AliExpress die to cut that faux like leather glitter paper from Hobby Lobby. Little AliExpress bag topper. I love these. I love glitter. I love sparkle. So yes, girl, thank you for playing. This is a gorgeous card. And like I said, I'll link everybody's information down below. It is from Peggy Peaches. Peg here she's on Instagram. Let's see here. Oh. I don't know if this is supposed to go. I think she just maybe latched that on there. Oh, except for it's not coming off. It says to Tony from Peg, a cute little like layered tag. How cute is that? Oh, this might have went on here. Actually, I don't know. So this is her card. She made it a shaker card. How cute is that? So she's got golden blue sequins inside like the shaker pocket part. And then this is like denim, like real denim with like the stitching. Look at the pocket. And the little like pig and the corn husk is hanging out of it. It says, it's your birthday, go hog wild. It's got the cute little pigs playing in the mud. How cute. And she's got this like all like popped up on dimension to make the shaker part. And then got this cute little twine right here. Look how cute. And then the little tree and stuff is in the background within the shaker. And then the inside, how cute. Look at, so she layered that multiple times, and then the happy birthday in the center, and then the little radish and the carrot with the little stitched border frame. How cute is that? Aw, look how cute. Little piggy. Maybe this went in here. I was just trying to guess. You could stick a gift card in there too, so that's a good idea. Oh, and then her envelope, she even lined it in like a denim style paper. Very nice, very matchy. Love that. And then she created some bows. It's not required to make bows, but you guys do get an extra point if you make 3 bows. She made 4, and they're inspired, I'm assuming, by the Maggie Holmes collection, where she did this like really pretty fringe. And this is a very like, I don't know what kind of string that is, but it's very sparkly. I'm sure the camera's not picking it up. And then she has cute little flower centerpieces on it, and she's got it backed on acetate. She had it in this little pocket with confetti. How cute is that? With some Maggie Holmes paper in the background. Thank you, Peggy, for playing. Love it. And like I said, I will leave everybody's information down below. Jeanne, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correct. Jeanne or Jeannie. Sorry guys, I'm butchering names. I'm so happy that I was your first challenge, like giveaway entry. She's never done a challenge before, and this is her card and her bows, and look at how girl. She knows, I know she watches because look at, she made sparkle. Look at this. So she did sparkle and like a silver embossing powder. So she did a glitter, like a holographic glitter as like the background piece, and then she did a rectangle, like maybe a punch or a die to make the top white piece. And then she's got this really fancy, pretty like stiletto heel and like a shimmer red metallic paper, so sparkly. And here's her envelope. And then the inside, she did "It's Your Birthday" and a red, like a sparkly red embossing powder. Love that. I love sparkle, and this is fancy. This is like a fancy, like somebody's 30th birthday probably, like a big bang, going out with a bang party. So pretty. And then she created 3 bows. I think this is the AliExpress die. She did it in this really pretty metallic blue, a really pretty metallic purple, and then a really pretty metallic gold. Love that. Oh, and she even reused like some Ranger cardstock as her backing. Look how cute. And it's got the black and white stripe. It goes perfect, right? So pretty. Thank you for playing is from Michelle T. I opened up her card. This is her first time making bows, she said. Girl, looks like you knew what you were doing, or you caught on real quick. Thank you for playing. Okay, so I'll go over her bows real quick. She sent a bunch of bows in this cute little, like, almost like a Ziploc bag. It says "You rock." She did like different colors of, this is like a really bright hot pink, and then this pink with the like blue. This is like a, girl, you did like a double layer bow. Getting fancy. And then this one right here. This yellow one, and then this like minty blue one. So she did tulle bows. You guys can make any style bows. So it could be tulle, paper, glitter, layered die cuts. You know, I don't even know. The possibilities are, I'm sure, are endless. And then this is her birthday card. She's got it layered up with this like black cardstock that she made like stitching on the edge. Then she did washi tape. I like how I always forget to use washi tape and I never know where to use it, and this is like a perfect example of how you can use your washi tape. She did the purple glitter washi tape and a little flower center. She even puffed up the happy birthday little like bunting banner right there. Is that your handwriting? You have really good handwriting if that's your handwriting. I cannot write like that. And then she's got this cute little butterfly glitter gem on the edge of it. Super cute. And then because she used black, she lined it in white and then even did the stitching on the edge as well on the inside. Super cute. And I wouldn't call this amateur crafting because I sure as heck did not know how to make a card like this when I was amateur. Okay, so thank you for playing, Michelle. You guys, when you guys see this video, you still have time to enter. I have to have your card in hand by January 8th. So that means you could probably send it in on like the 4th or the 5th of January and still get it into me in time. As long as you're not sending it ground, because then that'll take like 10 days. But yeah, these the cards are super lightweight, so you're not gonna be, it's gonna be first class mail, and it gets to me within like 2 to 3 days. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you ladies for playing. Again, I will link everybody down below, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.